From the library homepage, library.trevecca.edu, click on a link to a research guide. You can do that right here in the center, Quick Guides to the Library by Major, or on the right-hand side, the link to Research Guides. It'll take you to the same page. This page, now you have topics in the center, or you have a course guides, program guides, and how-to guides. If you click the down arrow under Course Guides, you'll see INT 1100 LEAP. Select that, click Go, and we have a course guide specifically for your LEAP class. Part of the course guide here is a tab that is the career and vocational resources that are available to you through Trevecca's library. But you'll also see some tabs on understanding the different types of journals you're looking at, whether they're peer-reviewed, scholarly, or trade, library hours, what about primary or secondary sources. If you're a Google Scholar user, there are tools to help you link Google Scholar research with Trevecca Holdings, so you are one click away from seeing full text that is owned by the university. If you are using MLA or APA documentation style, we have guides to help you with that. And then we also have an opportunity for you to select make an appointment with a librarian and get some assistance one-on-one if that's something you'd like. So I want to show you today, though, the career and vocational resources. I'm going to click on that tab. On this page, there is a section on the left that is Trends and Issues in Your Major, Where to Begin. So it's general information using ProQuest Central, one of our main interdisciplinary databases, and steps to how to find trending information on your major within that database. On the right-hand side, to find out more about a specific career, there are some resources that the library has: career and technical information, career transitions, vocations, and career collection. These three are databases that the university subscribes to. So they have information on careers and education needed to move into that career field, plus salary, projections in terms of employment. Now, the last section here are websites. So these are just internet sites: Career One Stop, Glassdoor.com, My Next Move, and then the Occupational Outlook, which is a government website, part of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which actually provides a lot of great data, and it's updated annually. Most of these are all updated annually. Right now, I want to walk you through finding an article about trends and issues using ProQuest Central. So what we're going to do, and if you want to follow along with me on your phones or laptops, you sure could. We're going to start in the ProQuest Central database. So I'm going to click this link right here. You can see it opens a new window. And in ProQuest, I could search a major. For instance, as you saw there, I could do nursing. And if I do nursing trends, you see it also gives me some search topics. So I could do future nursing trends. I can narrow my search on the front to full text and peer reviewed if I wanted to, or I just click the search box. The things that are in yellow on the search record or the citation are the words I searched. So you can see nursing, future, trends. These are all part of the search. But if you'll notice, they're not adjacent. They're not together. So I have nursing, future. They may or may not be relevant. So if I put in, for instance, if I just do nursing trends and put it in quotation marks, this is going to be searched as a phrase with the words adjacent to each other. So you can see how it looks different in the citation. In the yellow highlighted, they are together. So perhaps I like this one, discuss current nursing trends for research. So as I'm looking at the citation, I'm looking at the highlighted area. If I want to read more about it, there's a preview on the left that if you just mouse over it, it displays and allows you to see the abstract. So you can say, oh, it's pediatric or whatever it may be, and decide whether you want to read the article or not. Underneath the article title, you'll see abstract, full text, or full text PDF. These are your options for text. Not all of them have the PDF, as you'll see this one just has full text. And some may not have text at all. Instead, it will say find it, which is an option to, gives you an option for an interlibrary loan if you'd like to do that, which is a no-cost service for you. Now, total hits 543, pretty good. In the sort box, it's the most recent first, so you are looking at things 2016 and 2015, but you're also looking at a variety of types of publications. So if you see these icons here, they indicate the type of publication. On the left side, you have the key. So those that have a little a diploma means this is a dissertation. A little graduation cap is a scholarly journal. Double pages here would be trade, and then you have newspapers or wire feeds. Dissertations, scholarly journals may be too full of too research-driven, I should say, for this particular project. You may want to look at trade journals and newspapers to start with and see how that is, how that looks for you. So we could simply click on newspapers here, and it will narrow our search to just newspapers. Sorry, it's taken a minute to narrow that down, but then it will change our icons to be all newspapers. So you're able, to do that. The next step, once you find an article, would be to click on the title, and here you can actually, of course, read the article so you can identify whether it is actually the direction you want to go or not. From there, you can print, email, save the article. This is a newspaper article, so you can see this is super short. That's what this is. This is the whole text for the newspaper article. Here's where you can email yourself the article. You can also print it, and under the More, you can save it. The Cite feature takes this article and puts it into a format. So if you're needing to use APA, or perhaps you're using MLA, you can definitely choose the citation you want, and then here is the citation in the format that you need, minus double spacing. All of them are double spaced, but you don't see that on the HTML version. I'm going to go back to the result list just really quickly, and I'm going to close out the newspapers. Here we go. And I'm going to click on the link for trade journals. And you can see a little difference with the content. Trade journals are publications that are published by the industry. So this is the nursing industry, and it's about trends, issues, and news within the industry itself. So it reports on companies that work with nurses, training, etc., like that. Now I'm going to go back to the research guide here. So what the tutorial just did was walk you through these steps right here. If you need help, click on this tab here, Need Help. There's a multiple way to contact us, so you can call us, text us, you can chat with us if you need to during the library hours. You can email for help. You can set an appointment. If you want to set an appointment with a librarian, you can do that. and we can sit with you one-on-one and make sure you get the research you need.